Green fire.
Now say.
Wax. To dip it in the wax.
Now say what?
Hold it in there for 30 seconds. Then we need another layer of the wax. Then we softly tiny little dip into the water. And then, since we've gotten that, now we hold it over fire.
Just wait.
I need to dip it into the wax.
Just the whole time.
Oh, and then hold it in there for 30 seconds.
Seconds.
30. Okay. I dip it into the wax again. And then I dip it into the water a little bit. And then I hold it over and it will turn green.
Cool.
You know why it was green?
Because of the chemicals. Now that that's done, I go. Yeah. One more dip in the wax. Don't turn green yet. Then, boop. Now, another green flame. Oh, that whole thing was like green.
Cool, bud.
I just want to like dump some of that on. And then I'll make that green.